So I'm here again to bore you guys with another thrust test video. In my previous video, I 3D designed and printed this little rig so that I could mount this prop upside down, and that led to a lot of colorful discussions. What I want to do in this test is I want to show you guys what we did in the previous video. If we throttle up all the way, we're between 7 and 8 ounces of thrust. And what a lot of you guys who are a lot smarter than I am told me is that this was completely unnecessary. I could mount the motor facing upwards, flip the prop upside down, reverse the rotation, and that should have the same effect. And if that is the case, I'll take this rig, we'll do a little experiment with this PLA, have a heat gun, and we'll watch this melt since it's completely unnecessary. Okay, now I have the motor mounted directly back on the scale. You'll notice this is a clockwise rotating prop, but we're going to take the prop off, flip it upside down so that the letters are facing downwards. And then I'll reverse 2 of these 3 leads so that we can reverse the rotation of the prop since it's now facing downwards. Okay, now let's throttle up and see if we get similar results, somewhere between 7 and 8 ounces on the thrust. And we do. Okay, so apparently this PLA rig was completely unnecessary. So what I'm going to do is, this is a heat gun I use for my heat shrink tubing, and it has a low and a high setting. Now low gets to about 750 degrees Fahrenheit, and then high gets to about 1,000 degrees. And I'm not sure if you're familiar with PLA at all. It extrudes at 230 degrees Celsius, which is about 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's when this basically turns into a liquid when coming out of the extruders. Okay, so let's fire this up. We're gonna do it on the low setting. Okay, so through all this, what I learned is you can flip your prop upside down, reverse the rotation. If you have a scale and you need to push that downwards to just get a thrust measurement, you have a way to do that. And my rig is no longer necessary, so good to be able to get rid of that. Now, getting close on the build, I've made a few mods. I'll share those with you guys in a little bit. Looking forward to seeing how these guys perform on this build. So until next time, thanks for watching.